It took me 1 hour and 35 minutes to use the little Dollar General $10 tool. Is it worth it? Was it worth it? Yes. Was it a lot of work? Yes. Hello. Welcome to Just Rachel's channel. So today, I just wanted to come and show you how messy my garden is. Because a lot of days I don't have time to come out and do anything in the garden, okay? If this is you, then this channel is for you. I'ma say lazy gardener, yeah. And my yard man got sick. So therefore, I have to kind of do this on my own. And I'm scared, okay? But I'm gonna do it. Today I'm gonna try to, I don't even know what this is, a garden saw tiller, like handheld. I'm gonna try to maneuver some of the dirt in the ground so that I can plant my watermelons. And I'm not going to cut any of this grass because I don't have a lawnmower, first of all. And second of all, yeah, that's just what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to put a little of this chicken manure. I hope you can see it in the camera. I'm going to put some of this chicken manure in, like just sprinkle it so that it can fertilize this part of the yard. And then I'm going to plant or transplant my watermelons in here after about 3 to 4 days. I'm gonna chunk it up and then put the chicken manure and kind of turn it over a little bit and then water it down, even though it did rain here in zone B 9A a couple of days ago. It is currently 8 a.m. and the weather is 55 degrees. So we are at a cool 55 degrees. Hence the long shirt, even though I put it on because it's bugs out here. So last year I had this cover. Y'all, I made this cover from out of the screen that you can buy to close in your like screen door, patio door, the $5 magnetic screens at Family Dollar. I think it's like the last seen on TV like type product, and it worked. It worked. It's just that I haven't kept up with it. That's how I put it in. And these are bamboo sticks that I'm using. I did buy a shade cloth, 50% shade off of Amazon, and that's gonna be in another video. What am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna make a video about it, and I'm gonna put it up. It is, I want to say I got the 10 by 20. Yeah, okay, so last year I tilled this with my hand, right? First I started out with a machine broke, so I had to end up doing it by hand. And so I have rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows that's already there. So I'm just gonna some of the roots out. And yes, I know, I need on boots, but your girl don't have no boots. I'm gonna go buy boots. Okay, so this is what I've gotten so far. I'm not done, but the reason why I stopped was so that I could show you that somebody's watching me in the back. So this is the tree that fell down last year. I still haven't picked it all up. But look at that. That's why I be scared to come back here. And it's just sitting there I don't know. Waiting for me to finish or what? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Look at it. Okay. I'm finished. I'm going to go finish. Baby, when I tell you this little $10 tool from Dollar General is like magic, it's a lot of work. My arms are tired and everything, but it's well worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. If you need it, go get you one. You mean to tell me you was about to leave off of my video? But I'm not done yet. Okay, so thus far you have seen me rake the yard and get all what I can out of the garden bed. And your girl is tired. Okay? Okay, so it took me 1 hour and 35 minutes to use the little Dollar General $10 tool. Is it worth it? Was it worth it? Yes. Was it a lot of work? Yes. However, without this tool, I wouldn't have been able to do this. And with the help of a little bit of rain, it helped soften the soil or the dirt. And therefore, I was able to do this. It's not the cleanest, but it is done. Okay? I'm not looking for aesthetics. I'm just looking for done. So this is the tool that I got from Dollar General for $10. When I tell you the best $10 that I have spent, the best $10. Okay? So I'm just giving you a close-up or a view of what this looks like. So this is the pile that I got out of this bed. And the next thing I'm going to do is put the chicken manure in here. So I'm going to just go get my shovel and kind of like open up some rows or something. So last year I had it going this way. This year, I don't know. I wanted to kind of go this way, up and down with the rows. I don't know. But I'm breathing hard as hell because, baby, it's a lot of work. Okay, so I want to know, because I asked in one of my videos, but nobody said anything. This is my pear tree, and it have these at the bottom. Are these taken away from the tree? I just kind of turned the soil over with that $10 tool. But this is my pear tree. Kiefer pear, I believe. She's been in the ground for almost 3 years. I haven't gotten any fruit. Maybe I need to put a little chicken manure on her too. I don't know. Okay? So let me know if you can help me with those questions. And also let me know where you're tuning in from. So again, this little tool, $10 at the Dollar General, helped me a lot. But next year, baby, I'm going to try my best to get me a machine. Because who going to keep doing this? Not your girl. Okay? So stay tuned. I'm going to get my shovel, make me some rows. I'm going to figure out how I'm going to row it. But for now, I just want to get the chicken manure in and water it down. So I've dug up what I could. On this side right here, there is a big tree stump, like right there. And so the roots are running this way. And so I couldn't dig really, enough in here. So I'm probably going to try to find some flowers or something that's shallow that I could put right here. But I have 1, 2, 3 rows because this row is no good. So now I'm just going to put the chicken manure in between the lines, and then I'm going to water it, and then guess what? This project is done. And then I'm gonna wait about 3 to 4 days, and then I'm going to transplant my watermelon. Again, if you missed it from the beginning, this is what I'm using. Organic fertilizer 432, all-purpose, granular poultry manure from Nature's Supreme. Okay, the girl can't read. My glasses right here. Okay, my glasses are right here. Let me know in the comments, am I doing this correct? Because I don't know. I'm just going to sprinkle it on the yard, and then just water it down, wait a couple of days, and then plant my watermelon. I am going to put my watermelon on these 2 rows back here, and then I had my okra up here, so I guess I'm going to keep it the same thing. I don't know. But for right now, this is all I'm doing because your girl is tired. But this little thing for $10 at Dollar General. Go get you one if they still have it. If you need it, because some of y'all may have machines. But anyway, peace. I'm out. Thanks for watching.